Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mission Not So Impossible. This week I'm bringing you some Dollar General deals for November 3rd through November 8th. Dollar General has given us two 5 off of 25 store coupons this week. So one is good Monday, November 3rd through Friday, November 7th. And then we have a 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon like normal. So you can do two different deals this week. There's lots of different options, so I'm going to go ahead and give you some different ideas. You can definitely feel free to mix and match and build a deal that works best for you. So let's go ahead and get into the deals. So first you want to pick up two of the TRESemmé shampoo or conditioner for $5 each. Two of them would be $10. We have a $5 off coupon, making it $5. Next, you want to pick up one of the big Easy Rinse razors for $6.50. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $3.50. Next, you want to pick up two of the Colgate Total toothpaste. They are $4 each. Two of them would be $8. We have a $4 off coupon, making it $4. Next, you want to pick up one of the Glade Air Mist for $2.25. We have a $2 off coupon, making it 25 cents. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $26.75 plus tax. Then we have that 5 off of 25 store coupon, as well as $14 in manufacturer coupons coming off, making our total $7.75 plus tax for all 6 items. Next, you want to pick up one of the Gain Flings. The Wicked Edition are the ones that qualify for this coupon, so they are $9.95. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $6.95. Next, you want to pick up two of the Febreze Small Space. They are $3.50 each. Two of them would be $7. We have a $3.50 coupon, making it $3.50. So my store was currently out of the Lysol that's $2.75, but if you can find that one, you want to grab that. I just picked up the $3 one for the video. Next, you want to pick up one of the Lysol toilet bowl cleaners for $2.75. We have a 50-cent coupon, making it $2.25. Next, you want to pick up one of the Dawn Power Wash sprays for $5. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $3. Next, you want to pick up one of the True Living trash bags for $5. We have a $1 store coupon, making it $4. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $29.70 plus tax. Then we have $4 in store coupons. We have $3 for the Gain Flings and $1 for the True Living trash bags. So your total is going to be $25.70 after the store coupons. So we still qualify for the 5 off of 25. And then we have $6 in manufacturer coupons coming off, making our total $14.70 plus tax for all 6 items. So for this next deal, you want to pick up one of the Tums for $4. We have a $1.50 coupon, making it $2.50. Next, you want to pick up one of the Advil multi-symptom cold and flu. This is the only one that will work for this deal, so make sure you pick up the correct one. It is $6.75. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $4.75. So then we have a store coupon where you can mix and match certain items. Some of the qualifying items are the Tums and the Advil, so both of those items will work. When you buy two, you're going to save an additional $3, and that is a store coupon. Next, you want to pick up one of the Icy Hot for $6. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $3. Next, you want to pick up one of the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Lotions for $4.95. We have a $1.50 coupon, making it $3.45. Next, you want to pick up one of the CoverGirl eyeliners for $6.50. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $4.50. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $28.20 plus tax. So then we have that $3 store coupon coming off, making our total $25.20. So we still qualify for the 5 off of 25 store coupon. And then we have $10 in manufactured coupons coming off, making our total $10.20 plus tax for all 5 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up one of the Finish pods for $11.80. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $8.80. Next, you want to pick up one of the Glade Air Mists for $2.25. We have a $2 off coupon, making it 25 cents. So once again, my store was out of this item, so you want to pick up the 16 count of the Angel Soft toilet paper for this deal. Next, you want to pick up one of the large packs of the Angel Soft toilet paper. They're on sale for $11.95. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $9.95. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $26 plus tax. So then we have that 5 off of 25 store coupon coming off, as well as $7 in manufactured coupons, making our total $14 plus tax for all 3 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up 2 of the men's Axe body sprays. They are $6.50 each. So 2 of them would be $13. We have a $6 off coupon, making it $7. So my store was out of the men's Gillette razor for $9.25. So in the video, I just picked up the women's razor for $9, but the math is going to be for the men's razor. Next, you want to pick up one of the Gillette razors for $9.25. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $6.25. Next, you want to pick up 2 of the Suave body wash. They are $3 each. 2 of them would be $6. We have a $2 off store coupon, making it $4. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $28.25 plus tax. So then we have $2 coming off for that store coupon, making our total $26.25. So we still qualify for the 5 off of 25 store coupon. And then we have $9 in manufacturer coupons coming off, making our total $12.25 plus tax for all 5 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up 4 of the General Mills cereal that are on sale, 4 for $8 this week. We have a $1 off coupon, making it $7. And then we also have a $1 cash back that should work as well. Next, you want to pick up 2 of the Quaker's Instant Oatmeal. They are $2.75 each. 2 of them would be $5.50. We have a $1 off coupon, making it $4.50. Next, you want to pick up 2 of the Pillsbury items. You can pick up the crescent rolls, the biscuits, or the cinnamon rolls. They're on sale 2 for $5. We have a $1 off coupon, making it $4. Next, you want to pick up 1 of the C4 energy drinks. They are $2.50. We have a $1 off coupon, making it $1.50. Next, you want to pick up 3 of the $1 packs of the Laffy Taffies. So 3 of them is going to be $3. We have a buy 2 get 1 free coupon, so that's going to take $1 off, making it 3 for $2. The last item I'm picking up is a box of candy for $1. You can definitely pick up something else. I just need to get my total up to $25. So the total for all of these items before coupons is $25 plus tax. So then we have that 5 off of 25 store coupon coming off, as well as $5 in manufacturer coupons, making our total $15 plus tax for all 13 items. And then we do have that $1 cash back for the cereal as well. All right, so that's all that I have for you this week. Hopefully you can kind of take a look at these deals, mix and match, and build a deal that works best for you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any videos I have coming out in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!